Alrighty guys, welcome to adventure bike build number, and today we're going to put on some crash bars, lower crash bars. So they come in a set of two. We have a lower crash bar and an upper crash bar. So this is the package from Motorcycle Adventure Parts, something like that, I can't remember, but the bars themselves are actually from F800GS. Right, here they are, as you can see. Nice matte finish. They feel quite sturdy. Yes, these are going to look good. Alrighty. A couple of washers or spacers, one bigger than the other. Some screws. Allen heads. Grub screw. Some more. And some washers. And that's what we get in the instructions. Right, so according to the instructions, we do the left side first. Have to remove this cap. Like so. I picked the wrong time to cut my nails. And then we have to loosen that bolt in there somehow. And they say do it while the engine's warm because it's thread locked. So that's what we've done. Let's see whether or not I got something to actually fit in there before we proceed. Jesus. All right, that's that bit. But we're going to be able to bend this up. I don't know. But the problem is getting that in there now. Oh, for frick's sake. Okay. Let's try it now. Don't want to cross thread it. which is more than likely. Now this part here dropped out from there, so we've got to keep that and put that back. Apparently it goes in there. I'm not sure why. That goes in there. Bit of Loctite. And there's the original thingy majiggies. So this obviously has to slide in there as well. That's about it, I think. Whee! Squirt most of it on the floor. Now, are these the same size? Yes, they are. And I need another bloody Allen thingy. Yeah. Most of it's on the floor. Now, is that going to fit? I think it does. He says. Some of the more observant amongst you may have been screaming at the screen saying, "You forgot the washer!" Because I did. I forgot to put that in there, so I've got to undo this again and slide it back in and tighten it up. Face palm.